anong room?
Part
We are
2.
in the room. Buti pa si Tilly may room.
May key card.
Key card.
What room? And so, you video.
Cheers, cheers, come on. Cheers.
We're here now.
Nice.
No. 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 Yeah.
9061?
6'5". Alam niya atin yung siya, may card siya atin yung ha? Atin yung tangalo eh.
Find the 9065.
Just stand up there.
9065.
9065.
There, dulo.
9065.
Yes. More. One more. One more there. Open.
Yes. Okay. Please.
Ups, and the wait. Ups, wait. Later. Pause.
Hi guys. We're in chess. We're in the Hotel Okata 9065.
Dito muna.
We're here.
Welcome to our room.
Hello, Muslim people. We're back here in the Philippines, Okada, located in Manila.
Let's go and see inside.
Let's go.
Wait.
Let's go.
Let's go inside.
Go.
This is our room
Let's go.
for today. Sabihin mo.
Open
This
in.
is our room for today.
Wow.
Welcome po sa ating nandito yung cooler, nakaakyat.
Food and drink. TV. Phone. Telephone. Remote. Phone. Pen. Paper. Charger. Get started. Bath. Sink. Wash. Sink. Soap. Towel. Chair. Shower. And the toilet, the tissue, the power. Yes, clean, stop,
What is that?
down, close.
Nasa nataian? Tatain mo na ako, ha? Yes, nataian.
Phone, telephone, trash, paper, toilet, power,
How can they make a tae?
messenger, phone, tissue too.
Eto, how can they
Go boy.
No, it's automatic. No need to,
How can they tae?
Remote TV,
Dati, ibuksan mo nga.
telephone, phone, call,
Saan nakalagay yung
lamp, off and on. Wow, yes. Tapos with TV, the control. Aircon, control. Luggage, ice, shoes, clothes. Wow, yes. Okata Hotel. Wow, yes. Like and subscribe. Bye now.